Welcome, my dear students. Today onwards, we will learn about 12th syllabus so that you will study well and also try to achieve your goal. In our syllabus, totally 16 chapters are there. First 4 chapters are problem solving techniques. The next unit is core Python, that is main concepts of Python. It is also one of the programming language which consists of control structures, functions, strings and manipulations in different data types, and also OOPS concept. That is third unit, modularity and OOPS concept. Fourth unit is database concepts and MySQL. The fifth unit is integrating of Python with database and Python with other programming language such as C++ or Java, etc. Okay. Let's start the chapter 1 function. I think you know very well about the concept of function because already we learnt about the function in C++. Okay. Concepts are same, which is also one of a problem solving technique. The main objective of this chapter is to understand the function specification, what are the different types of parameters and its definition, what is the difference between interface and implementation, and what are the two types of functions, that is pure and impure functions. But today we will discuss about function specification and its importance. And what do you mean by parameter and its types? Okay, first we will learn about when did we use the concept function. In general, if you write the program, before writing the program we should write algorithm. Algorithm is a step-by-step procedure. Based on the steps, we write the program easily and complete a task. The computation time may be differ from every programming language because that is based on programming language. Okay, sometimes a group of statements are repeated for many number of times. For that situation we use the concept function. That function is otherwise called as subroutines. Subroutines are the basic building block of computer programs. In general, functions, the large programs are subdivided into small modules. The same way, subroutines are small sections of code that are used to perform a particular task repeatedly. The next concept is function with respect to programming language. In programming language, function includes a set of code which contains many kinds of inputs such as variables, expressions, and produce a concrete output. For example, here we see this is one of the example for function declaration in C++. Okay, based on the programming language, the declaration and definition may be differ. Or you remember this concept? Okay, here one function is declared, that is add is the function name. Here two parameters are passed, one is m, another one is n, and then within the function two parameters are added and stored in the variable x, and then print the variable x. So here x equal to m plus n is a expression, input is m and n, and then output is x. Okay, this is the example for function with respect to programming languages. Next concept is function specification. For example, here a equal to 24, colon equal to, which is named as becomes. Okay, here assign the bound of values to the variable a. That is the meaning of this specification. The next concept is parameters. Parameters, what is the difference between parameters and arguments? Parameters are the variables in a function definition. For example, previously we saw that example add of int m comma int n. Okay, here variables are m and n, that is named as parameters. Next one is arguments. Arguments are the values which are passed to a function definition. For example, sum of int a equal to 10 comma int b equal to 5. Here parameters are what? A comma b, that is variable of this function definition. Which one is arguments? 10 and 5 are the arguments. So the value of 10 and 5 are passed to a function definition. Okay, this is the difference between parameters and arguments. In next class, different types of parameters are discussed. Okay, thank you students.